Hello everyone, today I will share with you a problem of whether the hair is not simulated or only part of the hair is simulated and the corresponding solutions. The solution demonstrated in the tutorial is something I got after a lot of attempts. Everyone is welcome to communicate in the comment area and enter the tutorial below. Import the required resources first. For example, head model and curvilinear hair. This is a resource prepared in advance, mainly to show everyone. So the hair count has been reduced. Only some of the hair is preserved. We convert curved hair into particle hair. Click Particle Hair Dynamics. Click to play. We found that the hair was not moving. Then we enter the editing mode of the curve. We found that there are 2 points in a hair. Let's delete these 2 points. Then regenerate particle hair. Turn on physical simulation. We found out at this time the hair can move on its own. Add a wind farm at this time. Point the direction of the wind field to the head. Then set the intensity to 20. Click to play, and at this time I found that only some of the hair was simulated. Some of the hairs are not simulated. We enter the editing mode of particle hair. Select all hairs. Select rekey. Set the number of keys to 8. Select the vertex of the root of the hair. Come to weight drawing mode. The weight intensity is set to 1. Then press Shift+K. Set all root vertex weights to 1. At this time we return to object mode. Click to play again. We found that there are still some hairs that are not simulated. We continue to return to particle hair strike mode. Select all hairs. Then select rekey to set the number of segments to 5. Similarly, we choose the root node. Then set the weight of the root node to 1. Then click play. At this time we found all particle hair can be simulated. Let's summarize. In the same particle hair, if the particle hair length difference is too large, problems that may cause hair to not simulate. Changing the number of segments of particle hair will solve the problem of not simulated hairs with close lengths.